In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings. Tap on Reach Input and make sure that this switcher next to voice typing is on. Then go back to your keyboard and click on this microphone at the top of it. Following that, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on this blue button with a white microphone. If you want to start again, click on a white button with a blue microphone. To go back to your standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!